A very good afternoon to one and all. So welcome you another class of filling the blanks. So let us start. Yesterday we have discussed till section till 780. See, appropriate manners are from society's dash behavior. Appropriate manners are from society's dash behavior. System, style, canons, shrewd. So, what will be the answer? See the meaning of canons. What do you mean by term canons? Generally accepted rule, or you can say standard or people by which something is judged. So here answer will be appropriate manners are from society's canons behavior. Is it clear? That is standard or principle by which something is judged, or you can say generally accepted. तो ये जो appropriate manner है society के कहाँ से जज होते हैं? Canons behavior. That is third option. Next. I appreciate my neighbors dash as she explained the reason for selling her house. Candid, candor, care, capacity. I appreciate my neighbors as she explained the reason for selling her house. Candid, candor, care, capacity. See here. What do you mean by the term candid? Candid means saying what you think openly and honestly. Candid means saying what you think openly and honestly. Next, candor. Candor means quality of saying that what you think openly and honestly. अब देखो that is frankness. Candid means क्या? दोबारा से देखिए candid का meaning क्या है? जो आप सोच रहे हो आपने ओपनली बोल दिया, ऑनेस्टली बोल दिया, अपने थॉट्स आप हाइड नहीं कर रहे हो. नाउ कैंडोर मींस क्वालिटी है, किस तरह से आप वो बोल रहे हो जो आप सोच रहे हो. व्हाट यू थिंक ओपनली आप बोल रहे हो, हॉनेस्टली बोल रहे हो, फ्रैंकली बोल रहे हो. इज इट क्लियर? थर्ड ऑप्शन क्या है? केयर. फोर्थ है कैपेसिटी. सो हेयर आंसर विल बी सेकंड ऑप्शन, candor. I appreciate my neighbor's candor as she explained her reason for selling her house. Is it clear? Next, I was happy. I was happy to receive my father's dash books. Dog face, dog leg, dogging, dog eared. Now see, what do you mean by the term dog face? First option देखिए, dog face क्या होता है? ये एक US Army foot soldier है. Is it clear? It is US Army foot soldier. Next, dog leg. Dog leg means sharp bend. Sharp bend. थर्ड क्या है? डॉगिंग. डॉगिंग मीन्स गो आफ्टर विद इंटेंट टू कैच. गो आफ्टर, किसी के पीछे जा रहे हो, किस पर्पस से? उसको कैच करने के लिए. लास्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? लास्ट ऑप्शन इज dog eared. Dog eared means used so much. It means used so much that the corners of many of the pages are turned down. It means used so much that corners of many of the pages are turned down. So I was happy to receive my father's dog-eared books. Is it clear? That is dog-eared. Next. Dash mind see new angels to everyday things. Dull, creative, difficult, realistic. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? क्रिएटिव. क्रिएटिव माइंड ही न्यू एंगल्स देखते टू एवरीडे थिंग्स. ठीक है, डल नहीं देखेगा, डिफिकल्ट नहीं, रियलिस्टिक नहीं, तो कौन से माइंड्स देखते हैं? क्रिएटिव माइंड्स. नई नई चीजें देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट. He had wonderful gifts of dash and spoke to the birds. अपटाइट, folly, insight, dullness. So अब यहाँ पे आपका क्या है? See, what do you mean by the term insight? Insight means ability to see and understand the truth about a situation. क्या आप देख रहे हो, understand कर रहे हो truth क्या है एक situation का? That is insight. So here your answer will be insight. He had wonderful gifts of insight and spoke to the birds. What do you mean by uptight? Uptight means anxious. It means anxious and or angry about something. Next. Rahul was surprised to see a dash smile on Tarun's face. Ugly, smile कभी ugly होती है, no, symbolic, opaque, genuine. So क्या है? Genuine smiles. Rahul was surprised to see a genuine smile on Tarun's face. Genuine means true, not fake, real, authentic. So here answer is fourth option, genuine. Next. He completed all projects on time except for two of them, which he found too difficult to dash. Embrace, comprehend, acknowledge, discern. तो यहाँ पे क्या है अब आपका ऑप्शन? दैट इज comprehend. He completed all projects on time except for two of them, which he found too difficult to comprehend. Comprehend means to understand something fully. Okay, that means to understand something fully. Now, what do you mean by term acknowledge? कुछ acknowledge कर रहे हो, report कर रहे हो, जैसे receipt ले रहे हो किसी चीज की. Discern. Discern means detect with senses. It means detect with senses. Embrace. Embrace means embarrass करना कुछ चीज को. ठीक है. So he completed all projects on time except for two of them, which he found too difficult to comprehend, to understand something fully. Next. The mother looked dash as her child began to walk much before the months prescribed by the doctor. तो मदर क्या होगी अगर बच्चा पहले चलने लग जाए? Astonishingly होगा, predictably, irritably, menacingly. So here obviously mother will astonish. The mother looked astonishingly as her child began to walk much before the months prescribed by the doctor. Astonishingly means amazingly, surprisingly. Is it clear? Next. She was so dash in her manner that he was mesmerized by her. Differential, disputations, imperitance, insolent. So here your option is, क्या आंसर आएगा? Differential. She was so differential in her manner that he was mesmerized by her. Differential means the behavior that shows that you respect somebody or something. Is it clear? The next term is disputatious. Disputatious means inclined to dispute. Inclined to dispute. Third option is impertinent. Impertinent means rude and not showing respect for somebody जो बहुत older है या ज्यादा important है. Last is insolent. Insolent means extremely rude and showing a lack of respect. Extremely rude and showing a lack of respect. So here answer is differential. She was so differential in her manner that he was mesmerized by her. Next. The specialist dash you want to meet is available only on Thursdays. Whom, whose, who, which. So यहाँ पे कौन से आपका pronoun क्या आएगा? Specialist whom you meet, जिससे आप मिलते हो. You want to meet is available on Thursday. So here option is whom. Pronoun कौन सा use होगा? Whom. Next. Do not look dash on women. Down, right, left, up. अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा? जब भी आप किसी की बात कर रहे हो, किसी की तरफ नहीं देखना है, तो look down on somebody. So do not look down on women. That is first option. Do not look down on the woman. Look down on somebody means to think that you are better than somebody. Is it clear? Next. I dash him on this point. I dash him on this point. Agreeing with, agreed with, admitted to, agree to. So अब यहाँ पे preposition क्या है? Agreed with. I agreed with him on this point. I agreed with him on this point. Yes, Bhavneet, it is agreed with. Next. The stranger dashed in through the window last night. The stranger dashed in through the window last night. Creep, crept, creeping, creeps. So here option is creep. The stranger creep in through the window last night. Creep means slowly move करना, quietly, carefully. तो stranger क्या है? विंडो से लास्ट नाइट स्लोली अंदर आ गया है, दैट इज क्रीप. सो यहाँ पे पास्ट टाइम है. देखो ऑप्शंस आपकी चारों ही क्रीप की है. क्रीप, क्रेप्ट, क्रीपिंग, क्रीप्स. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन क्या आएगा? लास्ट नाइट के बारे में बता रहे, दैट इज क्रीप. सो हेयर सॉरी, दैट इज क्रेप्ट. दैट इज क्रेप्ट. पास्ट के बारे में बता रहे, लास्ट नाइट के बारे में. तो यहाँ पे आपका पास्ट कौन सी वर्ब है पास्ट की? क्रेप्ट. दैट इज सेकंड ऑप्शन. द स्ट्रेंजर क्रेप्ट इन थ्रू द विंडो लास्ट नाइट. सो हेयर ऑप्शन इज क्रेप्ट. नेक्स्ट. They dash living here since 2000. अब सिंस आ गया है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो आपकी जॉब है वो स्टार्ट हो रही है एक तरह से पास्ट में. अब वहां से कब से रह रहे हो? पास्ट से रह रहे हो, और ये प्रेजेंट टाइम तक कंटिन्यू है. तो वहां पे क्या आएगा? आपका प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस यूज होगा. अगर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस है तो ये चारों ऑप्शंस में देखिए क्या यूज होगा? हैव बीन, आर, विल बी, आर, स्टिल. Yes, Bhavneet, again you are right. Yeah, that is have been used hoga. They have been living since here since 2000. Next. Water dash holiday. अब यहाँ पे देखिए water dash holiday. Momentous, momentous, memorable, momentary, immortal. तो आप क्या यूज कर रहे हो यहाँ पे? अब हमेशा मेमोरेबल, अगर बहुत अच्छा है तो मेमोरेबल वर्ड यूज करते हो. सो व्हाट अ मेमोरेबल हॉलीडे, दैट इज अनफॉरगेटेबल, स्पेशल, गुड, अनयूजुअल यू कैन से. इसलिए मोमेंटम्स का मतलब क्या होता है? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन देखिए, मोमेंटस मींस हिस्टोरिक, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सीरियस. नेक्स्ट. Many important projects have reached the final stage dash. Accomplishment, irritation, resolution, implementation. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Many important projects have reached the final stage of implementation. That is fourth option. Implementation के stage पे पहुंच गए. Implementation, implement करना, carry करना, enact करना, कुछ execute करना, is it? That is implementation. तो प्रोजेक्ट इस स्टेज पे पहुंच गए हैं जहां भी आप इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो उन प्रोजेक्ट्स को. नेक्स्ट. डैश यू लिव लॉन्ग, माइट, मे, शैल, शुड. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? मे यू लिव लॉन्ग. तभी हम जब किसी को विश एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं तो हम क्या कहते हैं? मे वर्ड यूज करते हैं. इसलिए वी यूज मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. इसलिए सो मे यू लिव लॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट. The waiter has not brought the coffee. Dash, I have been here for an hour. Still, yet, up till. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपका ऑप्शन? अब यहाँ पे देखो, येट हमेशा कहाँ पे यूज होता है? नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में. ठीक है, जो हुआ नहीं है. अब यहाँ पे भी क्या यूज हो रहा है? वेटर हैज नॉट. तो इट मींस नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है. वेटर हैज नॉट ब्रॉट द कॉफी, येट आई हैव बीन हियर फॉर एन आवर. तो क्या आएगा? सेकेंड ऑप्शन आएगा येट, क्योंकि येट हमेशा नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में यूज होते हैं. नेक्स्ट. आई ऑलवेज फॉल डैश old friends in times of need. Over, through, back on, off. तब यहाँ पे क्या होएगा? किस पे फॉल हो रहे हो? बैक ऑन. Here option will be back on. I always fall back on old friends in times of need. Fall back on somebody means to go for to somebody. किसी के पास आप जा रहे हो कोई हेल्प के लिए, कोई सपोर्ट के लिए. So I always fall back on old friends in times of need. Next. A person came in with a baby who she said dash a safety pin. Swallowed, just swallowed, had just swallowed, was just swallowing. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? टू इवेंट्स है पास्ट के. इवेंट दैट हैपेंस अर्लियर शुड बी एक्सप्रेस, इसमें एक्सप्रेस होगा पास्ट परफेक्ट में. जो इवेंट्स हैं पास्ट के, जो इवेंट पहले happens earlier should be expressed in past perfect. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Had just swallowed. A person came in with a baby who she paid had just swallowed a safety pin. Next. The famous farmers suffered because the monsoon did not arrive dash time at, by, on, after. तब यहाँ पे आपका क्या है कि जो फार्मर्स है सफर्ड, फार्मर्स ने सफर किया है, तो यहाँ पे कौन सा टाइम क्या ऑप्शन आएगा? ऑन. The farmers suffered because the monsoon did not arrive on time. की so here on is the correct option. Next. The passengers were afraid, but the captain dashed them that there was no danger. Suggested, pleaded, advised, assured. तो अब यहाँ पे देखो पैसेंजर्स डर रहे थे तो कैप्टन ने क्या किया? उनको एश्योर किया है. सो हियर आंसर इज फोर्थ ऑप्शन, एश्योर्ड देम दैट देयर वाज नो डेंजर. गारंटी देना, किसी को बताना कि कुछ भी नहीं होगा, डरो मत, nothing will happen, is it? So assure. Next. I insisted dash is leaving the place on, about, in, with. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? देखो अब insist verb है, तो ये insist means to demand earnestly. So here option will be on. I insisted on his leaving the place. Next. Please don't dash me when I am speaking. Interrupted, interrupts, interrupt, interrupting. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? ये imperative sentence है. Imperative sentence में क्या है? Do या does not use हो रहा है. तो यहाँ पे क्या use हो रहा है? Don't. That is do not use हो रहा है. Is it clear? So yes, imperative sentence है. किस तरह से do not use हो रहा है? तो इसके साथ verb कौन सी आएगी? First form of verb आएगी. Is it clear? First form of verb आएगी. और जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यहाँ पे कौन सी है? इंटरप्ट है. प्लीज डोंट इंटरप्ट मी व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग. दैट इज थर्ड ऑप्शन. एक ना आपके लिए मैंने क्लॉक हैज डैश फॉर वांट ऑफ वाइंडिंग. द क्लॉक हैज डैश फॉर वो मम्मा, एक ना मैंने आपके लिए रोटी बनाई है. ओके. फॉर वांट ऑफ वाइंडिंग. Run down, run short, run fast, run up. So here option is, see what will be the option here and what will be the answer. Now what do you mean by the term run down? First क्या है आपकी? run down है. Run down means to lose power or stop working. To lose power or stop working. That is to gradually stop functioning. Is it clear? It means to gradually stop functioning. Now what do you mean by the term run short? It means to insufficient in supply. Insufficient in supply. कुछ कम पड़ गया है. Run past means to run near, or you can say alongside someone, किसके साथ भाग रहे हो, something from one side to the other. Run up. Run up means accumulate करना, इकट्ठा करना. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Clock has dash for want of winding. Run down, to lose power or stop working. तो clock क्या होगा? Stop working for want of winding. तो run down आएगा आपका आंसर. First option will be the answer. Next. Few people know that flowers use textures to dash different kinds of insects. Signal, feel, attract, distract. So here option is attract. Few people know that flowers use textures to to attract different kinds of insect. Is it clear? That is third option. Next. They abandoned their comrades dash the wolves by, between, on, among. So अब यहाँ पे क्या है? देखो यहाँ पे ये आपकी दो चीजों से ज्यादा यूज हो रहा है. फॉर मोर देन टू थिंग्स. सो यहाँ पे जब फॉर मोर देन टू थिंग्स यूज हो रही है तो क्या आएगा? अमंग आएगा. They abandoned their comrades among the wolves. Next. What good fortune What good fortune! I found the very thing I was dash. Looking in, looking to, looking besides, looking for. So अब यहाँ पे देखिए looking for. What do you mean by the term looking for? That is to hope for something. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Fourth option आएगा looking for. What good fortune! I found the very thing I was looking for. The swimmer dashed his clothes and jumped into the river. Took off, took off, took out, took down. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Took off. That is first option. The swimmer took off his clothes and jumped into the river. Next. I will dash to Singapore next month. Be traveling, be travel, travels and travel. अब यहाँ पे देखो फ्यूचर की बात हो रही है, नेक्स्ट मंथ की बात है, तो फ्यूचर इम्परफेक्ट है। तो अब यहाँ पे क्या है, सब्जेक्ट आएगा, सब्जेक्ट के साथ विल भी आएगा। विल भी ऑलरेडी है यहाँ पे, या विल बी या शैल बी, कुछ भी आ सकता है। विल भी आ सकता है, शैल भी आ सकता है, और उसके साथ आई एन जी आएगा, वर्ब के साथ आई एन जी आएगा। तो यहाँ पे क्या है, फ्यूचर है, तो क्या आएगा? विल बी ट्रैवलिंग, दैट इज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन। I will be traveling to Singapore next month. Next. See me tomorrow without dash. See me tomorrow without dash. Fails, failure, fail, failing. तो अब यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे क्या है, without के साथ क्या आएगा? Fail. So here option will be third option. See me tomorrow without fail. Next. Radium dash. Raise the blind, the eyes. Gives away, gives over, gives eyes, gives off. तो क्या होंगे आपके eyes? Gives off. Radium gives off rays that blind the eyes. Gives off means to produce something, जैसे smell है, heat light है, give, is it like that is give off. What do you mean by give away? Give away means make a gift, make a gift. Give over means किसी को बताना, to tell somebody to stop doing something. Is it? Give up. Give up means to stop trying to do something. So here your option is radium gives off rays that blind the eyes. Next. You will have to work dash you are in the office. As long as good as far as, so far as. So here your option will be as long as. You will have to work जब तक आप ऑफिस में हो, as long as you are in the office. So first option is the answer. Next, is dash connected respectively, respective, respectably, respectable. So he is respectably connected. Is it clear? That is acceptably. No reason to be ashamed of. Fairly good. So here your answer is respectably. That is third option. He is respectably connected. Next. After retirement, Surti lived dash Australia. After retirement, Surti lived dash Australia. In, at, over, in, over, at. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट सुरती लिव्ड इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. सुरती कहाँ पे रह रहे थे? ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. लिव्ड इन, तो यहाँ पे इन ऑप्शन आएगा. नेक्स्ट. He dash the low pay. Moan at, complain about, grumbled at, ran after. So here option is grumbled at. He grumbled at the low pay. Grumbled means to complain about something. तो वो किसके लिए complain कर रहे थे? Low pay. Now you can say the answer can be complain about also. He complained about the low pay. No, यहाँ पे जो best answer है आपको वो answer mark करना है. So here best answer is he grumbled at the low pay. Next. After a noisy and tumultuous super, we dash for the day. Retirement, retiring, retired, retire. So here कौन सी verb आएगी? आप देखिए, अब यहाँ पे second form of verb आएगी. So here second form of verb कौन सी है? Third option में है, that is retired. After noisy and tumultuous super, we retired for the day. Next. The villagers cried dash his voice for help. On the top of, in the top of, from the top of, at the top of. So here your answer will be at the top of. The villagers cried at the top of his voice. Villagers, not villagers. Villager cried at the top of his voice for help. Is it clear? At the top of, that is fourth option. Next. Simon teaches children dash watercolor painting. The art on, the art in, the art by, the art of. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Fourth option. Simon teaches children the art of watercolor paintings. Next. Light is dash then sound. Light is dash then sound. फास्टर, मोर फास्टर, साउंडर, लाइटर. अब यहाँ पे देखो कंपैरिजन हो रहा है. कंपैरिजन है तो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री आएगी. तो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में क्या आएगा? फास्टर. लाइट इज फास्टर देन साउंड. नेक्स्ट. The man dash for the purpose never did what was expected to of him. The man dash for the purpose never did what was expected of him. Supplied, favored, employed, cited. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? Employed. The man employed for the purpose never did what was expected to him. Employ means to give somebody a job to do for the payment. Next. There was a serious dash between the two brothers. Altercation, alteration, aberration, alliteration. So here answer will be ऑल्टरकेशन. हमेशा क्या है, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि कोई आर्गुमेंट्स हो गए हैं तो वो ऑल्टरकेशन है, डिस्प्यूट हो गया. सो देयर वाज अ सीरियस ऑल्टरकेशन बिटवीन द टू ब्रदर्स. द सेकंड ऑप्शन देखिए ऑल्टरेशन. तो ऑल्टरेशन सबको पता है क्या है, कुछ चेंजेस लेके आना. लाइक थर्ड इज एब्रिएशन. एब्रिएशन मींस कोई भी फैक्ट है या एक्शन है जिस तरह आप बिहेव कर रहे हो यूजुअल में बिहेव नहीं कर रहे हो तो कि अनअक्सेप्टेबल है. नेक्स्ट इज एलिट्रेशन. Alliteration क्या है? Use of same letter or sound at the beginning of words. Use of the same letter or sound at the beginning of words that are close together. Is it clear? Next. The ship with its crew dash gone to the bottom of the sea. Has, have, are, none. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Ship singular है. Is it clear? ये singular subject है. तो यहाँ पे verb कौन से? यहाँ पे singular verb है. तो क्या use होगा? Has. Ship with its crew has gone to the bottom of the sea. Next. The peon respectfully asked if he dash go there. May, might, can, will. अब यहाँ पे reporting verb है. Reporting verb क्या है? Asked है. वो past tense में है. देखो reporting verb है. It is in a past tense. Past tense में है तो क्या use होगा आपका यहाँ पे? Verb की second form use होगी. That is might. Person respectfully asked if he might go there. That is second option. Is it clear? Next. I know dash certain that he has gone to England with off by 4. So यहाँ पे option क्या है आपका? What will be the answer here? I know dash certain that he has gone to England. So here option will be 4. I know for certain that he has gone to England. Never give your friends dash the cold arm, cold elbow, cold shoulder, cold hand. So here your answer will be give the cold shoulder. Cold shoulder means to treat somebody in an unfriendly way. Never give your friends the cold shoulder. My mother upset the kettle of boiling water and dashed her hand. Scalded, scolded, scorched, wounded. So here answer is scald. Scald का मतलब क्या होता है? To burn yourself or part of your body with very hot liquid. गरम चाय डल गई एकदम से बहुत गरम गरम पानी डल गया है. Exactly. So my mother upset the kettle of boiling water and scalded her hand. Is it clear? That is first option. Next, his writings are dash mistakes, brooded with, burst into, replete with, boasted of. So here answer क्या है? Replete. His writings are replete with mistakes. Means उसकी जो writings है that have been filled with something, with a full supply of something. Is it clear? Full supply of something. See, what do you mean by the term brood? Brooded with the first option है, उसका meaning देखिए brood. Think to lot about something. किसी चीज में आप बहुत ज्यादा सोच रहे हो किसी के बारे में जो आपको annoy कर रहा है, ठीक है, upset कर रहा है. Next क्या है? Burst into. Burst into means to start producing something suddenly and with great force. To start producing something suddenly with great force. Boasted. Boast means to talk too much pride, to talk with too much, बहुत घमंड से आप बात कर रहे हो about something जो आपको पता है. So here your answer will be his writings are replete with mistake. That is third option. Next. Sid and Harsh are dash unable to complete the task. Neither, either, each, both. So here option will be, अब यहाँ पे देखो सिद्ध एंड हर्ष दो जनों की बात हो रही है. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Both. सिद्ध and हर्ष both are unable to complete the task. Next. Yes, Bhavneet, it's fourth option. Next. The examinee could guess dash the answer correctly at about through to. So यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे क्या होगा आंसर आपका सी. The examinee could guess dash the answer correctly. That is at the answer correctly. That is first option. Next. Be dash and always look to the comfort of other. Be considerate, be cautious, be considerable, be consider. So what will be the answer? Be considerate. That is first option. And be considerate and always look to the comfort of others. Considerate means thoughtful, careful not to hurt or upset others. Next. As usual, a lot of people were dashed in the king's darbar. Their possesses past, present. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Present. As usual, a lot of people were present in the king's darbar. Next. Children must be dashed to their parents. Obedient, obeying, obey, obeyed. तो क्या होना चाहिए? Obedient. So children must be obedient to their parents. तो यहाँ पे क्या? Obedient to their parents means willing to obey, submissive to authority. Next. Every minister is dashed to the parliament. Every minister is dashed to the parliament. Responsive, response, responsibility, responsible. So here answer will be responsible. That is every minister is responsible to the parliament. Next. She had a dash talk with her friend. Heart to heart, here heart to heart, heart to heart, heart to heart. So क्या होना चाहिए हमारे हमेशा heart to heart in good relations, happy and cheerful. So she had a heart to heart talk with her friend. That is second option. Next. The police is dash on his activities. Keeping an eye, keeping watchful eyes, keeping both eyes, keeping one eye. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपका? Keeping an eye. Keeping an eye means to take care of something. So police is keeping an eye on his activities. Next. Are you dash stamp collecting interested by, interested in, interested at, interested about? So यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आएगा आपका? Interested in. Are you interested in stamp collecting? जब preposition in use होगी, so are you interested in stamp collecting? Next. You report dash my statement. Conforms, conforming, confirms, comforting. So here option is third, confirms. Your report confirms my statement. Next. Everything dash carefully checked. Has been, have been, are being, is been. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन क्या आएगा? देखो यहाँ पे सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है. सो यहाँ पे एवरीथिंग जो है वो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है. तो ये पैसिव में पैसिव है, पैसिव यूज होगा यहाँ पे. पैसिव में क्या आएगा? हैज बीन. एवरीथिंग हैज बीन केयरफुली चेक. नेक्स्ट. I have dash finished painting the house. About, nearing, towards, almost. क्या आएगा? On से verb आएगी almost. I have almost finished painting the house. Almost means not quite, or you can say nearly. She dash made him angry. Have absolutely, has certainly, has absolutely. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Without, यहाँ पे अब certainly आएगा. Certainly means without any doubt. So definitely, she सर्टेनली आएगा, अब यहाँ पे हैज सर्टेनली आएगा, हैव सर्टेनली आएगा, तो ये हैज सर्टेनली, शी हैज सर्टेनली मेड हिम एंग्री. नेक्स्ट. Naresh made a fortune dash buying and selling used cars at buy in all. Now, which preposition is will be the right option? Buy. Naresh made a fortune by buying and selling used cars. Next. She has finished writing the dash article. Has she? Isn't it? Hasn't she? Is it? तो यहाँ पे कौन सा, ये आप देखो, अब आपका इंटेरोगेटिव है, अफर्मेटिव प्रेजेंट है, यहाँ पे क्या है सेंटेंस का, अगर आप देखो कि सेंटेंस आपका अफर्मेटिव है, मीन्स की पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है, शी हैज फिनिश्ड राइटिंग द आर्टिकल, तो अब यहाँ पे आपका जो क्वेश्चन टैग है, ठीक है, वो उसमें क्या आएगा, नेगेटिव आएगा, बिकॉज सेंटेंसेस पॉजिटिव है तो आपका क्वेश्चन टैग नेगेटिव आएगा. अब नेगेटिव ऑप्शंस आपके पास देखो कौन सी है, एक तो सेकंड ऑप्शन है इजंट इट, और थर्ड ऑप्शन है हैजंट शी. तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आना चाहिए आपका, थर्ड ऑप्शन आना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है. शी हैज फिनिश्ड राइटिंग द आर्टिकल्स, हैजंट शी. नेक्स्ट. An animal species becoming dash when it last existing member dies. Exist, existing, extinct, extract. So अब यहाँ पे देखिए, अब यहाँ पे कौन सा एडजेक्टिव आएगा, extinct, third option. An animal species becoming extinct when its last existing member dies. Extinct means no longer in existence. It means no longer in existing. Next. We can dash see anything in the dim light. Badly, scarcely, fairly, rather. So here option will be scarcely. We can scarcely see anything in the dim light. Scarcely means only just, almost not. Next. Few countries can dash India in variety, color and the richness of dance forms. Compare, rival, perform, prevail. So here option will be, यहाँ पे क्या rival, few countries can rival India in variety, color and richness of dance form. Rival means compare with, to be as good, impressive, किसी और की तरह. So here option will be rival. Next. Scheme allows students from different countries to communicate each other, with each others, themselves, with one another. So here your option will be one another. Scheme allows students from different countries to communicate with one another. That is fourth option. Next. The starving man dash able to walk, can barely, were barely, are barely, was barely. Barely means just, certainly. So here will be a fourth option. The starving man was barely able to walk.